Some absorption going on down here. We're heading towards the gap fill now. Numbers are out. What I'd ideally love to see right now would be like a move down a little bit into this, but then retest. Ooh, look at that. Juicy, juicy. I want a little bit more of a retest before I consider jumping in short, but sometimes these news moves, they just retrace big. So I just got to be really careful. Interested in shorting. Too much buying. Here we go. I'm going to jump in this. Jump in this short. Tighten my stop a little bit. See if we can't get this down here. Again, maybe it wins, maybe it loses. My goal today is if I do take losers, that I handle them well emotionally. I don't revenge trade because of it. I want to protect this, but I want to get through this volume. Here we go. Protecting my trade. Lots of absorption here. I'm going to take it. I just look at the amount of absorption there. I don't want to risk it rejecting. We've got 4 points on that. I'm happy with that. Good risk reward on that trade. I still think it's likely to go for the full gap fill, but it might come up and you know, it could hit my break-even stop first, and I didn't want to risk that. This might be my only trade of the day, so take the money and run. Here it comes. I had my target at 3, so it's just about there. And that's a time where I took my trade off early, but I had a logical reason. There was a lot of absorption there. You can see the large trade bubbles coming in. You had this big delta area up here, and those, you know, again, we get pushed around in those a lot. So I didn't take my trade off emotionally there. I took it off logically, and I'm okay with that. Possible shorts here. Possible short setup. I might jump in this. See if I can just get a 1-to-1 risk. I don't know. It's a little bit impulsive. I was talking and not paying a lot of attention. The momentum's slowing down. I need to see some sellers come back in. I'm going to be quick to protect this. There we go. Nice selling. I'm going to grab it if I can. Come on, give me the money. There it is. All right. Just because it's close to the end of the day and it was, again, getting some absorption in there. See, that would have tapped my break-even stop. Got about 2 points on that one. I think it's going to keep going down, but it was a little bit of an impulsive trade, so I didn't have a lot of conviction. I just sort of saw it setting up out of the corner of my eye. I wanted to grab it. So not necessarily good trading habits, I think, there, which is part of why I wanted to just take the money and run.